There you go, up on the wood box. You're a good girl. Here. Yeah. Oh, Moose stole your spot. You gonna sit, buddy? Oh, here comes a wrestling match. You guys gonna wrestle? Hey, Beverly, how you doing? Hey, who's squeaking? Whoa, buddy. Hey. All right, puppies. Hey. Hey, no growling. Nope. Whatever you're doing, stop. Moose. Moose, you're trying to start something. Hey, are you being a butthead? Hey, be nice. Yeah. Hey, don't bite me. Don't bite me. Right. It's okay to play rough, but you don't need to pounce on me. Yeah. He always... Oh, don't jump on me, buddy. He always starts it. And then she finishes it. Hey, what are you doing? You trying to bite my hand? He's gnawing on me. Be nice. Be nice. Hey. What's gotten into you? Hey. Moose, no. No jumping. No jumping on me, buddy. Hey. Moose, quit it. Hey. Whoa. You knocked the phone out of my hand. All right, hold on. Jeez. You made me hit a weird setting there on the phone for a second. You know, I'm giving you two some space. No jumping, Moose.